Hey guys, this is Baby Snow and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to present to you the compensation plan of OP Bull. Welcome to OP Bull. This is the world's first Pro Smart contract. This is built in OPBNB network. Alright? So, binuild siya sa OPBNB network. That's because OP Bull is offering a 50% dividends, and we all know na yung dividends ay wini-withdraw. Okay? And we also know that BNB has a pricey gas fee. Okay? When we compare that to Paul. Alright? So, alam naman na natin, may idea na tayo sa crowdfunding. Okay? Built-in smart contracts. But, when we compare OP Bull to our another project, which is yung wino-workout din natin na si Bullrun. So, magkaiba sila ng network. And with the Bullrun, malaki din yung dividends doon. So, we are earning 55% dividends. Pero wala tayong nagiging issue when it comes to gas fee. Kasi sobrang mura lang ng gas fee ng Polygon token. Okay? Pero kay BNB, kung gagamit tayo ng BNB, regular BNB, for gas fee, it will cost us like 35 pesos per claim, 'di ba? So sayang din 'yon. Alright? So kapag kinumpare mo siya sa Pol token, ay napakalaki ng difference. Kaya naman guys, sinolusyonan na yan ni OP Bull since we are offering 50% dividends, which is withdrawable yon, no, from the system. So we will need gas fee. And good news, because it's built in OPBNB network, halos same lang siya kay Polygon, na super liit lang, centavos lang yung magiging gas fee natin. Alright? So, and another great news is super fast transaction. So, napaka advanced nung network na to, and this is very first in the history kapareho ng sistema ng mga crowdfunding sa Polygon network. So, this is really great news, guys. I'm really excited about this project. Okay? So, what is cryptocurrency? Alam naman na natin yan, guys, no? Lalong-lalo ngayon, it's a bull run na, no? So, lahat ng mga cryptocurrency, most especially itong mga top cryptocurrency, ay talagang nagsisiliparan na, no? So, there's a prediction na ang BNB, guys, ay tataas ng 5,141 average price level. According to BNB forecast, technical analysis, by the end of 2025, marireach niya yung expected amount na 4,900, 'di ba? Almost 5,000 na yun, guys. Additionally, BNB can reach a maximum price level of 5,280. So guys, this is based on technical analysis. At the end of 2025, BNB will have an average price of 5,280. The crypto market expects a significant price shift. This is very possible, guys. Alam nyo ba na si BNB, guys, is nasa top 3 yan. Actually, ngayon, pag titingnan mo sa CoinMarketCap, top 1 si BTC, top 2 si Ethereum, okay? Nakalagay sa top 3 is USDT, but we all know that's stable coin. So, i-ano natin yan, i-exclude natin si USDT. And then, number 4 si Solana. Okay? Tapos, nandun si BNB sa number 5. But guys, for me, this is the top 3 when it comes to yung mga big crypto talaga. Alam natin talagang si BNB ay malaki na yung pangalan niya. So, it's like a brand na talaga na sumusunod sa yapak ni Ethereum. Kaya ngayon pa lang, dapat meron na tayong ways to generate more BNB. And great news, eto na nga po si OP Bull, kung saan magge-generate tayo ng maraming BNB. So, nakasabay tayo sa bull run, guys. So, this is perfect timing. This is a perfect project and you don't want to miss this one. Okay? And again, it is built on OPBNB network, which is a layer 2 scaling solution for BNB Smart Chain that allows users to interact with the blockchain with low fees and high throughput. So, it means super fast transactions, but hindi siya expensive. Okay? So, why OP Bull? Okay? Maraming naglalabasan ngayon, guys, copycats na mga projects, lalong-lalo na sa Polygon network. Okay? Alam natin yan. And na-experience natin yan. So, mag-iingat lang tayo, no? Be very careful kasi alam naman natin na yung mga perang nilalabas natin dito ay hindi basta-basta. Okay? But take note, hindi rin basta-basta ang earnings yung pwede nating ma-earn dito. Okay? So, yun, maraming mga naglalabasan ng mga copycats na mga smart contracts. And the reality, guys, okay, ay hindi lahat, porket sinabing smart contract, is legit na smart contract yan. Meron ding nadadaya, merong mga fakes. Kaya be very careful. Okay? Make sure na trusted and genuine project at credible developers yung pipiliin natin. Okay? Though alam natin na smart contracts, walang CEO, walang access ang developer sa funds, pero of course sila yung top IDs. Okay? So ibig sabihin, pagka-launch nila, okay, magko-collect ng maraming earnings yan kasi sila yung top IDs. Then after that, wala na silang pakialam doon sa project na nilaunch nila, maglalabas na naman sila ng same concept, same system, iibahin lang yung pangalan. So ano nangyari sa atin? Tayo ay sali lang ng sali, sila naman collect ng money. Okay? Alam naman natin pag ganitong project is talagang hype sa una eh. Talagang it's like magic na uulanin ka ng crypto, ng mostly sa Polygon. 'Di ba? So na-experience natin 'yan. Kaya ang pinaka-importante dapat yung project na ni-launch mo, okay? Dapat to make it successful and for long term kasi yan ang habol natin, long-term project, long-term passive income. Dapat mag-build ng community, okay? Strong and huge community para dire-diretso lang yung dividends na na-earn natin at patuloy tayong mag-earn sa project na yun. So alam natin guys, napakagandang opportunity nito. This is 100% distribution, okay? And even those people na hindi into inviting, pwede rin silang mag-earn. Gaya ngayon, ang laki ng nagiging earnings natin sa dividends, which is the non-working income. So, this is a huge privilege for us. Okay? Kaya dapat naman, trabahuin din natin or ingatan din natin. Okay? So OP Bull is not here to hype us, but to stay with us and give us a long-term passive income. Okay? So, this is the team level matching bonus. Dalawa lang po yan. With OP Bull, 100% distribution. So, walang access ang developers sa funds, walang owners, walang CEO. Okay? The 100% na circulation ng funds is in 50-50 basis. So, 50% mapupunta sa direct level income and another 50% mapupunta sa dividend income. So, ano yung dividend? This is the non-working income. Okay? And the direct level income, ito naman yung mga taong nag-i-invite. So, okay, this is what we call the working and non-working income. So, a new OPBNB Smart Contract. So, ito ang level niya guys. Okay? Ito yung activation. Okay? From level 1 up to level 10. Alright? So, everyone can complete all levels and will earn again and again for every level for lifetime. So, alam na natin yan. May idea na tayo dyan. Kaya, big advantage dun sa mga mag-activate ng maximum level. Okay? So, ito yung mga price in BNB, activation per level. Okay? We have level 1 up to level 10. So, each level ay nadodouble lang yan guys hanggang ma-max natin hanggang level 10. So, hindi naman kailangan na mag-upgrade ka agad ora mismo. But of course, alam natin yung advantage nung nag-upgrade up to maximum level kasi maximum din talaga yung magiging earnings lalo na sa launch date. Okay? So, ready your wallets guys. Load nyo na ng BNB na OPBNB guys, no? So, I have tutorials on how to convert your BNB into OPBNB network. Alright? So, ito yung price niya in US dollars and in Philippine peso. Okay? So, this amounts is price for both X3 and X6 matrix. So, ito na tinotal na natin guys para hindi kayo mahirapan mag-compute. Okay? And this is based on $610 or 35,800 na price per 1 BNB. So, kaya naman guys, no, wag natin i-compare to kay Polygon kasi hamak na mas malaki yung value ni BNB. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, malaki man yung activation natin. Alright? So, hindi naman actually ganun kalaki, no? Ganun din naman ang earnings natin. Magre-reflect sa earnings natin yon. So, ibig sabihin, malaking earnings din yung pwede natin kitain dito. And guess what? si Paul, pag nag-skyrocket yan, maliit lang yung tinataas niya. But here, with BNB, pag nag-skyrocket to guys, grabe po, ngayon, nag-start na yung bull run. Okay, kung tumaas si BNB, naglalaro siya from 600 up to, tumaas nga siya ng 660 per 1 BNB eh. So, nakakatuwa guys, kaya ngayon pa lang, I'm very excited na sa project nito kasi dito tayo makakapag-generate ng maraming BNB. Okay? So, here's the structure, yung itsura ng X3 matrix. Ayan. And then, the X6 matrix. So, same lang siya guys ng activation. Okay? Sa level 1 to 10 ng both matrix. Okay? And as we go through this presentation, total may idea naman tayo sa ganitong sistema. So, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng konting overview. Okay? So, eto guys, ang X3 matrix. Okay? Ang X3, kaya sinabing X3, there is 3 downlines under U. Alright? So, tandaan nyo lang guys na yung red na circle dito, sila yung mga earnings nyo yan. Okay? Pupunta sa inyo yan direct. Alright? So, sa X3 kasi, it's more on direct referrals. But, again, you can also activate X3 kasi alam natin na this is 50-50. Okay? Wala ka mang direct referral pero meron ka namang 50% na ma-earn sa dividends. So, mag-activate ka man dito, okay? Hindi rin sayang yon kasi meron kang 50% na dividends. Alright? So, there's no spillover here. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ka man malagyan dito, hindi ka man maka-invite. It's up to you, okay? But you will still earn here on X3 from 50% dividends or which is the non-working income. So, sa level 1 guys, ang ma-earn natin na direct referrals is 0.025 BNB. That's half of 0.005. Okay? So, that's 50%. And then the other 50% go to the dividend pool wherein lahat ng mga not into inviting or yung mga nag-register lang, ito yung paghahati-hatian nila, which is fair enough. Okay? So sa level 1, pag nag-cycle ka, since these two circles or these two downlines, the red circle ay direct na mapupunta sa'yo yan. Alright? Sa mga sa mga nag-i-invite. So, kapag nakapag-cycle out ka dyan, you will earn total of 0.005 BNB. And the other 0.005, yun na yung pupunta sa dividends. So guys, itong nakikita natin na to, na blue circle, okay, na merong icon na parang recycle. Okay, so this means, ito yung mag-re-renew sa atin. Okay, pag wala ditong pumasok, ibig sabihin, hindi tayo mare-renew, so tapos na yung earnings natin dito. Okay, so basically, it's like, mapupunta rin sana sa atin yan, but it will serve as a recycle or what we call renewal slot. So it means ito ay mapupunta sa upline. Okay? This is very important kasi once na fulfill na ito, nag-cycle ka na, again, mag-earn ka na ulit ng another cycle. So, ma-open na ulit yung red na to at mag-earn ka na naman. Okay, this is unlimited earnings guys. But there is a certain rule, sistema nito ni X3 and X6 matrix. So, i-explain natin yan later on. Okay, so ganun lang. Same thing applies to level 2. 0.01 ang activation or pang-unlock dito. And again, you will earn 2 slots. Okay, sa iyo mapupunta yan direct. And then the third slot, mapupunta yan sa upline kasi this will be your renewal. Okay? So, same thing applies dito, pataas na level, habang tumataas yung level mo, nagdo-double lang yung amount or price ng activation. Okay? Or pang-unlock. So, again, 50%. Madali lang computein yan, guys. 50% of that ay mapupunta sa'yo, and the other 50% is mapupunta sa dividends. So, ganun lang yung sistema nito. Okay? So, dito naman sa X6, kaya sinabing X6, there are 6 downlines under you. Okay? So, dito, yung first 2, dito sa X6, ito ay mapapass up to sa upline. So, tandaan natin guys, yung color na yan, blue, okay? Yung color na to is, yan yung mga mapupunta sa upline. Okay? And then the red circles, ito yung mapupunta sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin, kada level sa X6 ay meron kang 3 na ma-earn. Okay? And say for example, sa level 1, yung 005 na to, 50% of that is mapupunta sa'yo. Okay? Once na natapos na to na-fill up na tong slots na to. And guys, with X6, dito tayo nakaka-receive ng mga spillovers. Okay? Pwedeng direct referral mo yan. Pwedeng spillover from your upline. Alright? Pwedeng placement upline or downlines and crossovers. Okay? So, in short, kahit hindi mo siya direct, pwede kang magkaroon ng matrix earnings dito. Pwedeng malagyan yan. Kaya that's good news, no? Sa mga not into inviting, pwede nyong unahin i-activate yung X6. Okay? But again, for me, mas maganda pa rin na simultaneous nyo i-upgrade from X3 and X6 para mas malaki din yung ma-earn nyo from dividends. Again, this is a 50-50% basis. Okay? 50% for direct referrals and 50% for dividends. Okay? So, fair enough. Napakaganda nito, guys. Grabe, 'di ba? Nakaka-excite talaga. So, uulanin talaga tayo ng BNB dito. Alright? So, dito guys, no, pwede nating i-max hanggang level 10. Okay? So, para after that, na-activate na natin yan, paulit-ulit na tayong mag-earn. So, again, there's another rule wherein merong blockings. Ano yung ibig sabihin nun? So, pag may nakita kayo sa inyong mga dashboard na nag-notify na you need to upgrade, okay? Meron kasing mag-a-appear dyan, magno-notify na mabablock daw kayo. Ibig sabihin, hindi nyo marireceive yung next na earnings from your downlines. Paano yon? Say for example, nag-cycled ka na. Okay? Napuno na naman siya. Nag-earn ka na ulit. Then, yung downlines mo ngayon nag-activate na sa level 2. Okay? So, pantay na kayong level 2. Okay? So, ito yung blockings spillover. Alright? Say for example, naligyan ka ng spillover, nagkaroon ka ng direct referrals. In short, natapos mo yung 6 slots na to. Okay? Na-renew ka na. So, it means, nakapag-cycle out ka na. So, ibig sabihin, may empty na naman yung slots na yan and you are ready for another cycle. Okay? Now, say for example, your downlines here ay nakapag-upgrade na. Natapos na rin niya, na-cycled na rin niya to. Okay? It means, it's the time for you to upgrade na sa higher levels. Why? Kasi kahit nag-cycle out ka na ulit dito, hindi ka na makaka-receive the next batch of spillovers or direct referrals. Bakit? Kasi hindi ka nag-upgrade sa level 2. So it means yung mga activations yung mga upgrades nung nandito mo is mabablock na. Mag-upgrade sila dito, mabablock na yon. Hindi mo siya mare-receive. Bakit? Kasi nga hindi ka nag-upgrade. So that's how the blocking spillovers works. So dapat make sure na nag-upgrade ka sa next level para walang masayang, okay, na mga earnings. Kaya may nakalagay dito na missed earnings. It means na block yon. Okay? So make sure as much as possible ay naka-upgrade ka, especially yung mga downlines mo na naipasok mo. Okay? And again, dito pala sa X6 is hindi mo alam 'di ba? Hindi mo alam kung yung mga na-spill over sa'yo is naka-cycle out na. So, dapat maagap ka din. Okay? Mag-upgrade ka agad sa higher levels para hindi ka makamiss ng mga activations ng downlines or ng mga crosslines or crossovers. Right? So, that's how it works, guys. So, good news, guys, dito sa X6, pwede ka pa rin maka-receive ng direct level income or matrix income. So, plus yung dividend income. Okay? So, iba yung earnings natin dito sa X6, iba rin yung earnings natin sa X3. Okay? So, sa level 1, cycle earnings natin is 0.0025, which is half of 0.005, and we have 3 slots na ma-earn dito. So, times 3, that will be 0.0075 BNB. Okay? And the other 0.075 BNB will go to the dividend pool. Okay? So, that's simple it is. Alright? Hindi na natin kailangan gawing komplikado. Alam na natin at may idea na tayo sa mga ganitong sistema. And ito, this is very first in BNB and OP BNB network wherein kikita tayo, magge-generate tayo ng BNB kung saan alam naman natin kung gaano kalaki yung value ni BNB. Okay? without spending too much on gas fees. So this is really great news, guys. Don't sleep on this. This is a perfect timing for you to generate lots of BNB. Okay? So, ihanda nyo na, i-ready nyo na ang inyong mga MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet, token packet, kahit ano pa man yan, SafePal, basta Web3 wallet, i-fund nyo na no, ng BNB, and make sure na i-transfer nyo siya sa OPBNB network. So, I have tutorials in my YouTube channel. Nandun kung paano kayo mag-fund ng inyong mga wallets ng OPBNB. So, pareho lang naman siyang BNB, guys. Kung ano ma-earn natin dito, pareho lang yan. Naka-OPBNB lang siya. So, kung gusto niyo na siyang i-convert into Philippine peso or into your money or into any other cryptocurrency, madali lang. Okay? Gagamit lang tayo ng BNB network. So, that's it, guys. I'm really excited for this project. Ilo-launch na to, no? November 14, tentative, 2:30 p.m. UTC. So, that's 10:30 p.m. in Philippine time. Okay? So, make sure to load your wallets, guys. And wag na kayo magpalit dito. Kung anong kaya nyong amount, i-max nyo na yan. So, para hindi rin masasayang yan, guys. Dahil bawing-bawi nyo rin yan. Just a matter of hours or few days lang, mababawi nyo rin yan. And again, hindi ito yung short-term project, no? Dahil ito yung napili ko na number 1 na project na i-workout natin. So, hindi masasayang ang inyong effort and most especially ang inyong hard-earned money dito. Kasi this is a long-term project na pwede nating i-work out at i-focus for lifetime. Okay? So, that's all, guys. And I'm very excited. I hope excited na rin kayo. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel. Doon ko ipopost yung link, no? Yung top link para lahat tayo in Philippine community ay makaranas naman ng nasa top spot. Alright? Because with Team Baby Snow, we're always at the top spot. So, I'll see you guys inside my Telegram channel. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye!